Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. As you can see, I'm going to review the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the Emprente leather in the Rose Poudre color. And this video is a little bit different from my other videos because I really don't have a time to do a sit-down video right now, and it's nighttime and I'm struggling to find the best lighting in the house, and I think giving you a close-up can let you better understand what I'm dealing with the current situation with this bag. So I need to make a decision on this one. Should I return it or not? So I really like this bag first off because a lot of influencers have it. Let's be honest, we are all influenced by YouTube and all the Instagrams. And the fact is, even on the online pictures and on all other people's videos and Instagram posts, this bag looks way more pale pink than it's supposed to be. So in real life, this is actually a more darker rubbery pink color instead of a baby pink or a light pink, which is the pink that I was looking for. And if you look at the online picture of this bag, it actually looks more like a rose ballerine. It looks almost exactly the same as the rose ballerine color, but it's not. It's a darker and more gray and muted pink, and I can almost say it almost looked dirty to me. Like this is brand new and I just bought it from the store and it looks dirty. You can see that the pink here, there's like a gray undertone to it, and that's how the bag comes in its natural color. I didn't do anything to it. It comes brand new. So I think a lot of people are misleading and over filtering in their videos and adding overexposed pictures of this bag to make it look much better than it is, I have to say, because this is not a light pink bag. So let me show you what it compares to other pink colors. So I have here, I'm just going to show you. I have here the wallet, Louis Vuitton wallet in the rose ballerina, and you can see the difference in color. This is much more darker pink and almost a rubbery feeling pink to me than the light pink in here. So this is very different, and I want you to know, if you're considering this bag, this is not a baby pink bag. This is not a light pink bag. It's kind of like a rosy, dusty rose pink, if that makes sense. So if you're looking for a light baby pink, this is not for you. And I kind of fell into that trap because all the pictures that I've seen and reviewed, it showed me a light pink bag, but it is not. So that kind of deducts a lot of point for me for this bag. Everything else looks really good. It's like everything that I imagine it would be, except for the color. The color is way darker than what I imagine it should be. So that might be a big no for me because I'm a very color oriented person. And even the inside, you can see the interior is actually much darker. Even on camera, it's showing a little bit lighter than in real life. In real life, this is a darker pink. And this is the strap, the 3 compartments. So I will show you what fits in here briefly, but at the end of the day, I think I'm going to return this. I was debating between this bag and another bag, which is the Lucky BB, and I ended up choosing this one because I thought this is a very cute pink color, and I really want a style of this bag because I don't have anything like this. I don't have a casual day bag that's like a workhorse type of bag. But right now, looking at this, I don't know, I just lost the thrill because when I look at it, I was like, ooh, that's not a pleasant color to me. No shade to anyone who owns this bag. If you like it, I know a lot of people and a lot of YouTubers rave about this bag, but I just hate this color. I don't hate, but I thought it could be better done. If it's a light baby pink, I would for sure, no doubt, keeping it. But it's such a dull color. It's not. You can see you see the empreinte here is a little bit lighter than the surrounding. The pebble here is a little bit darker. And I really like the design. It has a top handle here, which I don't see a lot of backseat bags have. They always just have this flap and a square like this, but the flap here, they don't usually do it. So, and it's a very classic style. It's great investment piece, but at the end of the day, I gotta tell you, all the other YouTubers are lying in their filtering and their videos, in their exposed video, overly exposed videos, because the color came out like light pink in their videos, but it's not. They probably did it for aesthetic purposes because it will look better in light pink, but this is not a light pink. And I'll show you what fits, and it fits a lot. It has a great structure to it, and it holds a lot of stuff. So in terms of the design and structure of this, I really have no complaints. I look at it, I know how much it fits. It just fits a lot. My whole hand goes in, and there's still a lot of room. And this is a pouch from the Daisy Rose bag, and I can just put it in here, no issue. And I think people who had the Neverfull pouch was able to fit it in the middle compartment as well. This is a notebook that is, I think, around A5 size. I'm not sure, A5 or A6, but it goes in no problem. So it goes in like this, and you can see it barely takes up any space in the bag. And for fun, I just have a toothbrush here. This is regular size toothbrushes. This is not a travel style. This has a substantial handle, and I'll see if it fits. Yes, it does, but it bulked just a lot, but it fits inside like diagonally, just the length. So I'm just giving you some idea. But yeah, it's a great design and a great style, and it holds its investment, and I can see this is a very useful and practical bag in every way. But I feel like at the end of the day, because the color, you can see how it's a muted one. Because of the color, I think I'm going to have to return it, because if it doesn't look great, I'm not going to keep it and spend that much money. I'd rather get a Coach Cassie in this case, because they look pretty much similar, and the Cassie probably has a better color tone than what I want in this one. Okay, thank you for watching.